Pansy from Sugarland has a question about squirrels getting in the attic.
Does she ever? She says she has and she puts $! Exclamation mark, $! Percentage squirrel.
Nice.
I think that means something nasty. Anyway, she's got those squirrels chewing through the soffits. In fact, look, she caught one right here in the act.
Yeah.
It's like,
They will.
how on earth do you time it to capture a picture like that?
Do you know why? We're all sequestered at home now.
That's it.
So we have nothing else to do.
You're exactly
That squirrel's
right.
been chewing on her house for 2 years, and she didn't know it because she went to work.
That's right. But being sequestered at home is bad news for squirrels. All right. She says my pest control
And
company.
ducks.
But she's been dealing with this a while, Tom, because Pansy writes, my pest control company has used cages and metal patches to catch and temporarily repair the damage, which is what they did at our house once upon a time when we had this problem. But Pansy wants to know, Tom, would hardy plank be a good material to replace and help deter these rodents?
Squirrels will find a home, and it's their home for life. And no matter what you do, they keep coming back. It's usually the same group. It's squirrels are monogamous. They marry, and they never mate with anybody else. They only mate with one other squirrel. It's a very strange animal.
So there's
It's
no
a cute animal.
there's no squirrel divorce?
No squirrel divorce. No.
Okay.
If there was, there'd be a squirrel lawyer. But we don't have any squirrel
There
lawyers.
aren't, not to say there aren't squirrely lawyers, but okay.
I didn't say that. You have to catch them, and they have to be euthanized, which is what the law says you have to do. Or you catch them, and you remove them from the property and drive about 80 miles towards Dallas and drop them off in the woods.
Nice.
I mean, that's what you have to do.
Yeah.
They'll find another home, but they will keep coming back and coming back. Now, I will say about hardy, it's harder for them to get through. But I'm not going to tell you it's impossible because I've seen it. They will, if they want to get in and they're determined enough, they are little rascals. They are just little tiny rascals. And so hardy is better. I would say put hardy on any house. You know, we always say that because it's a better product. And hopefully that will work. But if not, they have to be caught and euthanized.
All right, bad news.
Or sent to the woods. Okay, whatever.
Or train them and name them and consider them pets. That's another option.
I've seen it on Facebook. People have squirrels for pets. I don't understand it, but they do.
All right, those are the that's the question, that's the answer, and we provide lots of those for you. All you have to do if you want one is send your question to us at using the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. Click the button, send it in. We'll answer it just like this, and we'll even post it on our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to that, by the way, go over and find Home Show Radio on YouTube. Click the subscribe and the bell button, and you will be notified every time we punch another one of these out the gate.